How to replace the mount bracket and O-rings on the IntelliROL spur. Items required. Safety. Always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Visual of the mount bracket design change. Old design mount bracket. New design mount bracket. Video is shown on a left-hand ITR spur. Disconnect the ITR motor cable from the driver card or extension cable. Remove the two rollers that are driven by the ITR motorized roller. Remove rollers free from the ITR O-rings. Loosen the 4 ITR mount bracket hex screws. Hold on to the ITR roller and mount bracket. Remove the 2 hex screws and nuts by the cable end of the ITR roller. Slide the assembly to the side and remove. Remove the other end of the old mount bracket. Cut and remove zip ties. Use a 5/16 inch socket with ratchet and a 3/8 inch wrench. Remove bracket from ITR cable. Remove the old mount bracket. Install the ITR cable through the new mount bracket and slide the new O-rings over the roller. Push the axle in and install the roller. Adjust the O-rings into the ITR roller grooves. Install the ITR bracket and tighten the hex screws and flange nuts. Torque the 2 flange hex nuts to 2.2 foot-pounds, plus or minus 10%. Install the new mount bracket assembly on the ITR spur. Reinstall the 4 mount bracket hex screws and nuts. Reinstall rollers by twisting the bottom O-ring clockwise, and then place the roller through the O-ring. Push the axle in to install the axle into the hex hole. On the right-hand ITR spur, O-rings will have a counterclockwise twist. Install zip ties and reconnect to the ITR cable. For more maintenance videos, visit mhs-conveyor.com.